so now you're probably wondering what the next steps are, with this system so that you can do this again. So once your blog is set up and you've already set up the monetization part, the easy part is, this next phase. The second post you do, the third one you do, the fourth one, fifth one, and ongoing, it's going to get simpler for you. So you go right back to Google Hot Trends, and this is actually just a few hours um, later from when we actually did the first one on Rose Bowl tickets. And already in just a few hours, it's already showing several new posts that are becoming hot topics that you could actually do a campaign on. So you can just go back through here and find another hot topic to do this same process with. So for some reason, like Dr. Pepper, that's a hot search for item. So we could figure out what the big phrase is that's getting them to search for Dr. Pepper. So it could be free Dr. Pepper coupon, free Dr. Pepper. That seems to be the hot topic right there. So once you decide that you want to do something, let's say we decide to do a little campaign on free Dr. Pepper. So I would do the same thing. I would write up a short little post about how much I like Dr. Pepper. And then I would go over to blogger.com. I would go ahead and log into my account. Once I've logged into my account, then I would go ahead where it says the name of the blog that we just set up. I would just click on new post, and then I would just type in my information. And once I'm done putting in the information and I publish that post, I would go right back over and click on view blog, and that new post would show up if I had made a new post. Now actually I will just go ahead and show you that and show you what it would actually look like. So I'll go ahead and just type in free Dr. Pepper, and then I think Dr. Pepper is great, especially if you can find it for free. So then I'll just go ahead and type in Dr. Pepper or free Dr. Pepper, and then go ahead and click here on publish post, and then just click on view blog, and now you see the new Dr. Pepper post is now live. So just what I did here, I think Dr. Pepper is great, especially if you can find it for free. Now I'm going to go back, since I already started this process, I'll just go right back and go ahead and just just start a new, write a little more content there. But this is really how you do this system. It's very basic. And then I would just go over to dig.com. I would go over to propeller.com and delicious.com and stumble upon, and then I would just go back through the process again and get my content picked up. And you can do this multiple times each and every day, and because there's always going to be hot trends and hot news stories. And so another great thing is, as you get more advanced and want to get into other areas, knowing how to use Google Hot Trends inside and out is going to be very good for you to be able to identify some hot niches to go in that you can sell stuff to. And so this is how you go about setting up this system. Very simple to do. And so the next steps, is just going out there and doing it, taking action with what you just learned and starting to make things happen. And it may be difficult at the beginning. You can watch these videos as many times as you want and just continue to reference them, as a guide for you. So it's very simple process. Hope you enjoyed this video series and have a great time making money on the internet.